So, hey guys, let's do this problem together. I'm going to talk about Roy finds a log. It's 90 inches long. He cuts the log into 2-foot pieces of wood to sell as firewood at his store. How many pieces of wood can he sell using this log? So, if this is 90 inches, all right, so there's 12 inches in 1 foot. How many 12s are in 90? Right? However y'all work it out, whatever strategy you work out the best. So have they done the algorithm? So, if they're not familiar with the algorithm, then they do 5. 12 times 5 is 60. All right, so that leaves 30. And then 2 is 24. And that leaves 6. All right, so there's 11 feet, 6 inches. Of course, that's not really how you want to do it, is it? Right.
How to do the problem? Is that what you
Well, you're wanting to know, actually, you're not wanting to know how many 12s are in 90. You're wanting to know how many 24s are in 90. Right? So back up. I'm going to erase. All right, so he cuts them into 2-foot pieces, right? So 2 feet would be 2 groups of 12 or 2 12s. So that's 24. All right. So how many 24s are in 90? Well, I'll have to just skip count by 24, right? I know there's 124. The next one would be 48. And then the next one would be 72. Right? And then the next one would be 96. So I can get 1 2-foot log, 2 2-foot logs, 3 2-foot logs. I don't have enough for a 4th. How many pieces of wood can Roy sell